Well, I am the ride director. This is an event for disabled vets. We have a veteran from Vietnam and several from Iraq and several from Afghanistan. It's an event that's sponsored by State Farm Insurance. Famous footwear out of St. Louis. Brown Shoe Company is also one of our sponsors here locally. It is a coast-to-coast bike ride starting in San Francisco on Memorial Day, and we will finish July 28th in Virginia Beach.
Wow. Lou Rezendes, I'm from Colorado, and I look for the USO.
Man on tour?
I'm Andy Jansen, Air Force.
And stand up.
Joe Frank. Go.
Glenn Goulet, U.S. Army.
Team Measure, Mike Sanders. Currently assigned in Alaska.
Ooh.
Greg. Caleb Driver, Larry Gunter. Jonathan Snodgrass, New Hampshire Army National Guard. He's a rider. You're a rider. I'm a wounded rider. I'm a wounded disabled rider. You're not.
Anything else?
Michael Rice, Minnesota. I'm one of the interns.
Michael Simpson, I'm also an intern.
Trying to make it. Jeff Hinson, Birmingham, Alabama. Right.
Hey, stand up.
This is asleep.
Oh.
Okay.
Don't blame me. Keep your seats, guys.
No.
Your escort. My name is Van Brinson. I'm from World Team Sports. I'm the Chief Operations Officer for World Team Sports. The event you're looking at is the Sea to Shining Sea bike ride. It's a biannual bike event that we run that does go from sea to Shining Sea. We start in San Francisco, California, and we end in Virginia Beach, Virginia. The ride covers about 63 days and about 4,000 miles.
For the most part, yeah, we did a little bit of I-70 between Salt Lake City and Park City, Utah, because it was the only road. About a 5-mile stretch there that was escorted. But other than that, it's been all 2-lane highway.
Well, the average day is 65 to 70 miles. The longest day is 125, and the shortest day is 30, I think. So your average day, the average is around that 70-75. It doesn't feel that way. It feels like every day is 100 miles, and every now and again you get a short day thrown in.
Real quickly, I don't want to take away from your eating. They have great food here. I just want to welcome you guys. The bad thing is I wish you guys could stay here longer. I just came out of the AAA magazine in the West that indicated West is that small town of business. And we truly believe that. And you guys are here in my heart. For those who don't know, I'm a recipient of super awards and retired sergeant major, and that's it was an easy transition to become mayor. I went out and checked the police there every morning on my route. Also, we got a great police chief, new city administrator, Frank Tennant. He didn't serve, but that's okay. He served as a lieutenant. His father was a retired sergeant major. We've been stationed in the same places together. I was doing things a little differently. He was still in the playground. Again, I just really want to welcome you, Herman. I want you to come back, and I want you to enjoy your short time here. It's just a great community, and you saw out here on the streets and with our flag. You know, if it wasn't a day before a holiday, if it wasn't a Tuesday afternoon, those streets would have been full. And because every one of you guys is special. And again, thank you. We're blessed that you're here, and have fun and enjoy your work. Thank you.
To escort you into this town. Like you said, my dad was a retired sergeant major. His dad was a retired sergeant major of World War II. I didn't serve. He said if I didn't, kick my butt. So I ended up coming to college. So again, it's an honor. The greatness of this little town is only able to be accomplished because of the sacrifices of men and women just like yourselves in our history. So again, thank you. I appreciate the honor of being able to visit our town. Come back. And if you come back, give me a call. I'll hook you up. Thank you.
Mr. Mayor, please. Front center. You both know about challenge points, and we would like to make you honorary members of the City Shining Speaker. And you apologize for not having very many people out on the streets. That's as many people as we've seen. So Herman has no reason to hang his head. My dad too, sir. He was in North Africa and Sicily. And he had similar comments to make. So, but it is such an honor to be. I'm from the Midwest. I've been telling these guys about the Midwest, and they didn't believe me. But I kept telling them, wait till you get to Herman. You'll go over that bridge, and there'll be people there, and they'll be waving the flag, and they'll be cheering you. You did just that. And I appreciate your escort because you get hit by a truck, and that's a very brief assurance. We have the members of the City of Shining State. I am pleased to make you members of our team.